So hey everyone, once again I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Nation is Calling You. In this video I'm going to cover the topic Two and Half Front War, which is coined by CDS General Vipin Rawat sir. So before moving forward, I have a question for you guys. That is question of the day. Recently International Anti-Corruption Day is celebrated. You have to answer on which day it has been celebrated. The options are 9th of December, 10th of December, 11th of December or 30th of December. Answer it in the below comment box. For your age, I will also let you know the answer in the ending of this session. So till then stay with me to know what exactly the topic is about. So guys, let us understand that this term is coined by CDS General Vipin Rawat sir, which lost their life in a accident in Tamil Nadu. So let's understand the basic meaning of the two and half run war. So two and half run war in military term meaning fighting a war with China and Pakistan on northern and western front simultaneously and at the same time battling the internal security threat, that is terrorism, Naxalism, northeast separatism plus springing up of new internal security challenges together. So this is the basic meaning of two and half ton war in respect to India itself. So guys, this is the current situation of India Union Territory Jammu and Kashmir with the Pakistan occupied Kashmir and the Aksai Chin of China. So this area is claimed by the China as it is gifted to the China by the Pakistan as a friendly gesture, but in actual it belongs to India. So let's understand how Pakistan fronts on western and northwestern and northern borders is actually responsible for this war. Here three cases are possible. First is Pakistan take advantage of an Indian-China conflict. Second is China engages in strategic opportunism in an Indian-Pakistan conventional military engagement. Finally, in third case, China and Pakistan collude to launch a surprise coordinated attack from both India's east and west. Of these scenarios, the first is the most probable. That is, Pakistan should take advantages of an India-China conflict. So this is all about the two-front war. So let us understand what exactly the half-front scenario is. So half-front scenario is that if during a war with the Pakistan, then military in Kashmir abated from across the border at the same time when two-front war is in the process. So this is known as half-front war scenario. Second case in half-front war is Naxalism abated by foreign funded NGOs and foreign forces supported by indigenous forces to capture parliament when two-front war is in operation. Okay, so if they capture the parliament during a two-front war, so there is going to be a loss of uh, war in the actual war itself for the India as parliament is in the control of other countries. So this is the half-front scenario. And the third scenario is northeast militancy supported by China when the war is in operation. So these are the cases for the half military war. So this half-front war will be most dangerous as they will block the supply line and important highways and roads from within to cut the supply lines of army when war is in operation. So this is going to be very dangerous during the wartime. At the same time, the disturbance created within India due to terror attacks within cities and simultaneously rioting by Naxals and their proxies will create law and order problems for which the CAPFs, that is Central Armed Police Forces and the army need to be called in. Add to this the revival of Khalistan terrorism and various movements supported through foreign agencies in India. These are all going to be active during these two front wars. So this is the main cause and this is the main problem that CDS Vipin Rawat sir has been coined that India is going to face a front war is in future also during the two front war with the Pakistan and China itself. China and Pakistan attacking India from outside, along with the terrorists in Kashmir, Northeast militant Khalistan Naxals fermenting the huge trouble through terror attacks, bomb blast, rioting is known as a two and a half front war. Indian army is already ready and preparing for this scenario. Not only Indian army but also Indian armed forces. Now the answer for the question of the day is, guys, that is 9th of December. On 9th of December, India in International Anti-Corruption Day is celebrated throughout the globe. That's all about the video. Hope you guys like the video. Share, like and comment must on this video. If you have any kind of query suggestion, please let me know in the below comment box or on the email ID provided in the description box itself. So share with your friends and don't forget to comment on this video, like it and share with your friends.